Welcome. Today I'll show you why you should not carry your backpack on one shoulder only. We're going to look at the effect measure. I have two scales here, same model. And you see I have a backpack with a book on it, which weighs 4.5 kilograms. Okay? So that I cannot cheat, I'll be walking backwards on the scale. And you see, when I walk backwards on the scale, I have a certain balance. I cannot tell you what it is, but for me, it's more or less 50-50. Now I take the backpack on one shoulder only. Look what happens. And I put it on the two shoulders, and look what happens. And one hand, you see the impact, and nothing, you see the impact. Yeah? That's why you should always carry your backpack with the two shoulder straps.